Today sees us return to Arlington Auto Repair because it is that time of year where you get your vehicle inspected in states like this that care about what you drive around. So we're going to change that 1020 to a 1021. Okay, we're here back at Arlington Auto Repair. One of the things you're going to want is you're going to want it. You have your Model S and Model X jack pads. There's also Model 3. Links down in the description below. And I'm going to ask permission to see if they even want us to film, and then we'll see how it all goes. We'll catch you all on the flip side. So what they're checking out, unlike states where I used to live, such as Florida and South Carolina, where they don't really seem to care what's going on with your car, they are checking your tread depth to make sure that your tires are safe. They're checking to make sure there are no parts hanging off the car. If your car makes emissions, they're checking the emissions. And seat belts, the glass. They just want to make sure that the car is safe on the road, both for the people driving the car and the people around the road on the car, which is even more important because they don't know what's going on with each individual vehicle. So why should they suffer just because somebody else doesn't do their maintenance? So it is a thing. South Carolina stopped doing theirs because there was corruption in the system, and rather than fix it, they figured just throw it away. And here, they just, the highway patrol, the state troopers, they actually administer the system. So if somebody gets out of line, then, well, they're basically cops that are going to take care of you right there. So independent places do their own inspections, and they have a limit to their price. I think it's like $20, $25, something like that. Tesla will do it for you, but good luck getting into any of the local Tesla service centers to do this. You got to basically remember to do it like a month out, and you got to drop your car off. You saw how quick it was. It's a 15-minute, 20-minute deal at the most. And, well, with Tesla, you got to drop your car and leave it. And at all these local shops, you can just wait a minute. Like, literally, I'd have to look at the timestamps on this video to know exactly how long I was in there, but it was under 30 minutes. And these guys, I like them. So nothing more to say about it. So we'll catch you on the flip side. So we had another successful inspection over at Arlington Auto Repair. I highly recommend them if you're in the Virginia area. So what you don't necessarily need the jack pads, but it makes it a lot easier for somebody who's not Tesla tech to get up in there and get the car lifted. Basically, you just don't want to pick the car up by the battery pack because that could start a fire or just at the very least damage your battery pack. I want to thank our patrons like Jason B, who have subscribed at the $5 level. And over here are some videos that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. And over here is a subscription bubble, and we'll catch you on the flip side.